Hi guys, Binary Options channel again, and me as a baby trader. I am today again and again showing you some strategies, showing you some moments and situations that we can enter, that we can actually predict, expect, and that we can actually make our bets more profitable. Let's see what we have again. And we are here and about to start. I am today like a green candle. And we are setting all indicators, the period for the candles. And now, moving average again as a main indicator that we love to use. Here is gonna be EMA. Here back to indicator, the second moving average, the most favorite one, and changing the color for green one. Okay, indicators. Yep, green one. Doesn't work. Yeah, it's working now. And the third moving average. The period is gonna be 9. The thickness, EMA, and the color, let's make it blue. Yep, perfectly visible. And RICI. And changing here is the period. Let's see, I'm just observing the chart. Yep, I've changed that. The thickness here and here and here. Okay, that's done. 4 is enough. Enough is enough, as they say. RSI, you may see it just below the chart, and moving averages just on the chart. So we start, and we're starting with this chart. Just observe it. It's just a little bit crazy, and we are raising our bet. We just start with the 150. Here we are predicting that this is gonna be the reverse movement. It's gonna break and it's gonna get for an upward movement because it actually really close to its support line. Now it's one of the lowest level for quiet period. So let's see, was it correct in this case or wasn't? And we are here, and it's perfectly seen already that we were correct. The chart just went upper, and we got our $270, and that's okay for a start. We now raising the bet. It's gonna be 250, and here the upper movement just started, and we can easily, without any hesitation, made it bad for its continuation. It's gonna raise, and we do not predict it to fall, that dramatically. So let's see, and I think it's gonna be perfectly fine with this bet. And we are here. We actually have seen that a little bit, like tiny movement down, but it's done. We see it is slightly, like a slightly indicators on our indicators that it's actually gonna rise. And that was correct. Now the orange candle, but we do not think about this orange candle because our bet is already done. So sometimes the situation and timing and perfect timing, because when you have like this 1 minute period, you actually needed to predict a little time of this chart. So it just happened to us now. And the next situation for us, we are perfectly see here that the chart is rising. We are changing our bet, and we are just look at all indicators that candles were green and the chart was just going upper, but we made our bet just thinking and checking the indicators combined. So let's see, the situation is a bit unusual, and we just gotta check the result and then check if we were right. So check it again. That was a green candle, and we made our bet for a downward movement even on this green candle, and it was profitable. I mean, I'm not surprised because all indicators were showing that, and we even made it on the green candle. So this is all indicators combined showing us downward movement, and we trust them. That's why we actually choose them. the next chart, and again we see truly long period of the falling, and it may actually change, so that's why let's go further and further and check all the charts. Okay, now here the situation is more unstable and stable at the same time. We check the RSI indicator, we check the moving averages, and actually it seems like it's gonna fall, because especially this upper indicator showing that it's gonna be a downward movement. And on this situation, it's more interesting just to get in here to make our bet, show you this situation. Let's check how it's gonna be, and we will see. And what we are seeing here, what we are observing, it's exactly what we assumed. Here's a little volatility, going up and going down, and we actually predicted these changes on the candles. It was green, then orange, green and orange. And here indicators showed us, and we were actually observing, these changes on the chart with the full picture, and it worked out. And the last for today, I am thinking this is the perfect amount, usually for like 4 or 5 bets, to demonstrate all the bets that I want to show you here with the chart. Again, you see it's just like, it's not that, drastically changing, but I'm gonna raise my bet to make it the biggest possible, and I'm gonna make my bet here for a downward movement. Again, indicators, just these moving averages showing us, RSI here perfectly showing us that we are going down. And this is actually what we are expecting, because the last candles were green, and here you may see on the full chart, this is what's like a two green candles and then a few orange candles, and we are playing on that also. And our expectations, just correct as it could be correct. We are having our win, we have our profit and our victory, and I'm happy that this is actually working, and I can prove it, I can show it, and I can actually teach you how to use it properly. So for today it's done, and I hope this strategy is perfectly clear for you, especially after this kind of second video of this strategy. And I hope it was useful. If you have some indicators that are actually unclear, or some tools or some situations, reverse or continuation, just text me, give me some feedback, and I'm gonna read it, I'm gonna mind that, I'm gonna think about that, and maybe I'm gonna make some more videos, especially on what you are interested in. As you know, I am in my Telegram posting daily signals on a free basis. I am giving some strategies info, and you can text me to go to my VIP channel, to go just in my free channel where I post all of that. All the links and bio below this video, and I'm waiting for your feedback. So stay tuned, we gotta get together for more.